Hi, I'm Alison from Bag Lady Bird Learn to Sew. Welcome to the December Sew Along. So this month we are going to be doing just 3 out of the 4 weeks, and we're going to be doing a seam roll and a tailor's ham to help make your pressing more professional. You just need to have some fabric for this, so you need either cotton or wool. In an ideal world, one side of your ham would be cotton, the other side would be wool, so it needs to be a relatively dense weave. I'm going to be making mine with calico because it's what I've got here, but quilting cotton or something like that, I'm going to double layer it so that it's even more dense. And as a stuffing medium, you can either use cotton fabric scraps or you can use wood shaving, the kind that you would buy in the pet store. So you just need something that can be densely stuffed inside your ham and your seam roll to keep it really solid. So that's it for this week. I just want you to gather your supplies, make sure you've got everything ready for next week when I'll be showing you how to create your own pattern. Let's get your supplies together and I will see you next week for the first instalment of seam rolls and a tailor's ham.